Russo Power Equipment. Today I'm going to show you how to change the air filter and the spark plug on your lawnmower. Fairly easy task. It takes your standard paper air filter and a standard engine case spark plug. We'll get to all that. First things first, always we're going to get on our safety equipment, which means gloves and safety glasses. Very important. Now, since this machine is brand new, I'm not going to need to actually replace it, but we're still going to take it apart and show you what to do if you were going to replace it. In this box here is where your air filter is. It simply pops out by pressing down on these two tabs and lifting away. This is your air filter. This is just the housing for it. See, we take this out. Now this one is not like the older style where you have to actually pre-wet the filter with oil. This is a standard dry filter element. As you can see, this is your intake here where it sucks in the air to the engine. Now, this being brand new doesn't need replacing. So we're just going to go ahead and put that back in there. Snaps in with the fins facing outwards like this. Just like that. This kind of goes in. There's two clips here on the bottom. Just feed those through there and snap that back in place. And that would be how to change your air filter. Next thing is how to do the spark plug. Now on this unit here, the spark plug is in the front. Compared to other models, your mower may have them on the side, the back, even some may be on top. For today, we're going to show you how to change your spark plug on the front. For that, you will need a spark plug wrench. Looks something like this. It's got the rubber piece in there to pull the plug out when you're done. Really, it's just a standard 13/16 socket if you don't have this special tool. First thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and pull off the spark plug boot and then fit this on there. That just goes like that. Crack it loose and twist it out with your fingers, being very careful not to cross thread anything. Now, like I said, this unit being brand new, it doesn't need a new spark plug. That's okay, we're just going to take it out to show you. So that is your spark plug. As you can see, being brand new, it does not need to be re-gapped or replaced. This one here is ready to go. It can actually just get put right back in here. Thing you want to do watch out for though is be very careful not to cross thread it when you're installing it. Good way to do that is make sure you do it in finger tight first. You don't want to crank it down all too hard. Just get it in that hole right there. And start it out nice and soft with your fingers. This ensures that it's not going to be cross threaded in there. If you cross thread it, this is not good because that'll cause your engine to lose compression. So once that's snug finger tight, we're going to go ahead, take the same tool we popped it out with, flip that to on, which makes it tighter. Go like that, get that on there, and just torque that in there. Last step, pop the boot back on top till you hear a snap, and you're good to go. And that, my friend, is how you change your filter and spark plug on your lawnmowers.